Struggling to find your app purchase history on Namecheap? In 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly where to click to see every single transaction you've ever made through their app store. So here's the thing. When you buy apps through Namecheap, your receipts don't show up where you'd normally look for domain or hosting invoices. They're tucked away in their own section, and it's really easy to miss if you don't know the exact path. I've been through this myself, digging through menus, trying to track down a payment, so I know exactly how frustrating it can get. We'll start from the Namecheap homepage, then navigate through Account, Profile, Billing, and finally the App's Transactions section. And I promise, once you see it, it'll take you about 10 seconds to get there every time. All right, let's pull up Namecheap's homepage. Go ahead and log in if you aren't already. Now, look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your username or an icon, and right next to it, there's a drop-down menu that says Account. Click on that. From that drop-down, you want to select Profile. This takes you to your personal settings area, where Namecheap keeps all your account preferences and configurations. Once you're on the Profile page, look over on the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of menu options. Click on Billing. This is where Namecheap separates your main account billing from your app purchases, which is why most people miss the apps section at first. And here's the key step. On the billing page, look for a tab or a section that says Apps Transactions. It might not be the first thing you see, so scan the row of options near the top of the page. Click on that. Now you'll land on a page that shows a few recent app purchases, but you probably want to see everything, right? So look for a button that says View All. It's usually right above the list of transactions. Click it. This opens your complete transaction log. Every app purchase, every renewal, every payment is right here. But the list can get pretty long if you've been using Namecheap for a while, so let me show you how to narrow things down. See where it says Filters? Click on that. A panel will open up with options to search by date range, transaction type, or status. For example, you can filter to show only completed purchases, or only refunds, or only purchases from the last 30 days. This is super useful if you're trying to find a specific invoice for tax purposes or expense tracking. Once you've applied your filters, you'll see the results update automatically. Now, here's the part that really helps. Click on the Details button next to any individual transaction. This will pull up the full breakdown. What you bought, when you bought it, how much you paid, and the payment method you used. You can even download a proper invoice from this screen, which is great for keeping your record straight. And that's it. From feeling completely lost in Namecheap's account menus to pulling up any app transaction in well under 2 minutes. Next time you need a receipt for an app purchase, you'll know exactly where to look. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!